It was dated at 16th of March 2020 by Maranatha Christian University that study system changed from on-site to online, which is done from its students' homes. There are so many challenges that every person must face during this sudden study system. Today, we are going to talk a little bit with three English department students from Maranatha Christian University. And without further explain, let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Marcella and my multiple intelligence are interpersonal, intrapersonal, and bodily kinesthetic. For me, online learning is very challenging. Sometimes I find it difficult and sometimes it's normal. Therefore, I make sure I stay aware and do the things that makes me happy like my hobbies, dancing, cooking, singing, and many more. And make sure I also always stay in touch with my friends like chatting, video call, playing some online games, and so on. So I can stay close and know how each other. During the online learning, I am a person who cannot sit or stay still for too long because it makes me uncomfortable and can be stressful. Therefore, when I start to feel uncomfortable sitting down, I will online learning while walking or make some little moves, and it makes me more comfortable and keep my concentration for the online learning.
Hello, my name is Michelle and my multiple intelligences are musical, kinesthetic, and intrapersonal. During this online learning, I face so many challenges. Fortunately, online learning provides many free time for me to do some activities that I like. For example, I really like dancing, cooking, making some handmade stuff, and also playing some musical instruments. Those activities really help me to be happy. Besides doing activities that I like, I also have to study, and I have my own ways to study during this online learning. Since I'm a kinesthetic person, I cannot stay still while studying, so I have to make some little moves like moving my hands or playing with my hair or maybe playing my ukulele, only playing with the strings, not the entire song, but it really helps me to focus on studying.
Hi, my name is Gede Gargita and my multiple intelligence are intrapersonal, kinesthetic, and musical. While online class, I often relaxing my body as much as I can because I can't sit for a long time in front of my laptop. I always need at least 2 cups of coffee by my side whenever there are any classes because I never feel enough for a cup of coffee. So I take a cup of cappuccino and a cup of Americano. When 2 cups of coffee are not working, sometimes I still feel bored in an online class situation. So I will play some upbeat music with my speaker and then play it a bit loud song. But it won't bother my focus and listening the subject explanation.
Boring?
Lonely? Unproductive?
Ineffective.
Sleep.
And now, after listening to this sorrowful statement from these 3 students, a bit experiences from these 3 students, we want to give some tips and tricks for you to get along with this online learning in Michelle, Marcella, today's version. Check this out. Okay, let us move to the first tips. The first tips is combat procrastination. If you have a lot of deadlines, please repay the work. Don't get stressed and confused about what to do. If you can finish your work one by one, it will make you more relaxed and you don't need to stress anymore. Okay, the second tips is participate fully. Online class is not fun if you're passive. Just try to pay attention on online class to what is explained and ask or answer when ordered, so that you are active and you get a good plus too. You can also take other online classes because there are many types of online classes, not only from college. You can join an online class that suits your hobby. It is really exciting, like this woman who participates in dance online class. Okay, the third tips is study effectively. Doing some practices is a must. Open your book, do the exercises, and you'll become better in memorizing the material. You can also make some self-question tests to challenge your knowledge, and don't forget to listen to some music. The fourth tip is create a good study space. If you are studying while working, no problem. Set up the comfortable space near your workplace, just like this barista guy right here. He is setting up his study place near the bar so that he can study while serving coffee to his beloved customers. Oh, drinking a cup of coffee helps too. Don't forget to make a cup of coffee to help you more relaxed while you're studying. The fifth tips is motivate. Become stressed and dizzy while finding challenges in studying is hard, but you can overcome it. Take your time to see your reflection in the mirror and motivate your reflection that you can do it and every hard time will pass. Okay, last but not least, the last tips is invest in my health. Yes, stress is hard things to face while studying. If there were no mirror around to motivate yourself, you can motivate yourself to gain more motivation by watching some motivational videos. Yeah, Mario Teguh Golden Ways works too.
Okay, so my study skills from the online learning is learning the tips and tricks. When there is an online presentation, before the presentation, I will definitely prepare as well as possible. Like prepare the material of the presentation, so I can explain it well during the presentation. I also prepare myself well, so I don't get nervous during the presentation and keep connect with lecturers and friends by eye contact, gesture, facial expression, and so on.
And I develop my study skills in Climate, as I will always respect every member in my group, as their opinions and ideas are important for the group project. I will always try my best to give positive solutions if there is a problem, and also I'm aware of my position in the group and will try to do as best as I could.
So, my study skill is time management. In studying, I can divide my time well between studying, working, and resting. Wait a minute. Because I work while studying, and time is very valuable to me. When I have online classes which coincide with my work time, I will ask my coworker to be able to take over my work first until the class ends. After I come home from my workplace, I will immediately open the laptop and do the assignment given by the lecturer or study for the next day's course. I will do it as quickly as possible so my rest time will not disturb it, because the next morning I have to go to my workplace again at 7